Meditation can be hard to explain to children sometimes. Here's an exercise that helps us get into this meditative state of mind and teaches us what to do with our thoughts when we meditate. So closing your eyes, think about this inner peace and joy that we are looking for. Think about it as the clear blue sky. And in this clear blue sky, sometimes clouds of thoughts are passing by. Clouds come, clouds go, the clear blue sky is still here. Just the same, this inner peace and happiness is always here. Sometimes clouds of thoughts are passing by. Thoughts come, thoughts go. This peace and joy is still here. So as we meditate, as we look within now, let's try not to look at the passing clouds. Let's shift our attention away from the clouds to the clear blue sky. Whether there are clouds or no clouds, this clear blue sky is still here. As we listen within, we'll try to listen not to the passing thoughts, but listen a little bit deeper. Listen between the thoughts, beyond the thoughts, to this quiet and peace within us. Breathe gently and not getting disturbed by the thoughts. Again and again, shift your attention a little bit deeper to this peace and happiness and awesomeness and juiciness within. I wish you a beautiful day from Rainbow Yoga. Enjoy the peace.